Hey everyone, Chris Stevens here, and I want to talk to you about this 22 drawer Midnight Pro Series roll around cabinet from Dragonfire Tools. This thing is massive, over 7 feet tall and over 7 feet wide. This has got everything you need for your garage or your shop. And just look at the way it looks. I mean, it's gorgeous. It's all powder coated fronts here, single railed, custom ball bearing for pull out drawers that are good for 100 pounds, 300 pounds. And now you got these new drawers down below that are over 11 inches deep. So you can put some parts in there, some taller, shop equipment and tools. But look at the cabinets. They're massive. When you open them up, I mean, look at all that room. It goes all the way back. I mean, you can put everything in there, whether you want cleaning supplies or shop rags or whatever you got. And you got 6 caster wheels and all of them swivel. This is the roll around cabinet for you. This is massive, but it looks good. Get organized, get clean, and get with Dragonfire Tools.